Alright guys, so what you're looking at in front of you here, this is the Gank Multirotor Mutiny V2 prototype frame. I went ahead and picked this up from Gank Multirotors. You guys know we've been talking about this a good bit. So this is the build of it. Let me get you guys a little walk around here. I think I did pretty good on building it, tried to do it nice and clean. I did have LEDs on it, but all this here, but I'll talk about them on the drone network. If you're going to run LEDs, there's something going on there. So anyway, this is the frame. This is it with all the prints. I'll get into this in a second. We got some nice motor protection going on here. I did get the Maiden it. That's coming up. Just stick with the video. So normally I run this here, the Apex, and as you can see, I'm vividly into those. And I want to try this guy out. Now there is a couple things that I must point out of it. Let's get it around here, get the great angle. That's where you guys can see it. So right here, the 30 by 30 board, we're touching the standoff, so I had to have this heat shrink on here so we didn't short nothing out, and that's kind of up just a little bit. That's kind of got to go down a little bit there. There we go. Because neither that motor will touch air. So anyway, that, and then what I was talking about here is, if you look at the Apex, what I got going on is I kind of like that because you see the strap that goes through there, the K bracket. I like how that strap can go through there, and that straps down and holds my session down. Well, without this guy on here, we get a lot of that, and I could probably tighten it up in the print, but it works fine like this, just if I was able to put that strap over it. So I just put the zip tie across it like so, and then throw a couple down here. The camera mount on it was okay. I don't think I got the correct micro, so I kind of got to deal with it here, what's going on. It actually didn't move as much when I was flying around, but I got to figure something else out with that. I think that's probably the cons of it that I can figure out. That I think I'd like to see just a slit cut through here where we can put a strap over the session. That just makes sense. I do it on all mine. Kind of keep your cameras from getting ejected, especially on the side mounts like that. So as far as flying, it flew good, can't deny that. Actually flew damn good. Everything's new on it, Diatone, Mamba, Emax Eco motors. I did purposely run it into a tree just to see where we were at, and I did get a little bit of arm movement right here, as you can see. So we did pick up arm movement on that, so we must have jittered something there loose, which is probably normal running into something. So anyway, this is the Gank Multirotor Mutiny V2 prototype. Will it pull me away from the Apexes? That's a tough one, because if you guys know me, I don't know. These guys are small. Like, the smallness kind of gets to me of everything crammed together, but other than that, these things are tough as nails. So we'll see if this thing can withstand with what I can put that through it. As you can see, there's definitely a difference in the flight characteristics of it. You know, a lot bigger frame versus the Apex, but flies beautiful. So anyway, check out the video at the end. Tell me what you think. We do a little torture test with it, run into a tree, and see what happens. As you can see, nothing so far. I don't see nothing like that I might find later. Broken plate, everything seemed fine, and this is running analog. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.
Make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back?
You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?